A practical use of Meccano. What you're looking at here is the back of a car door handle. It's the interior handle to open the door. This is on an old Honda Civic, and I can't get this part anymore. And what actually happened is that the plastic section here broke away because this spring was bearing on the plastic, and finally it wore the plastic out. Now I need to get this past an MOT, so we can superglue the piece of broken plastic back in. But the problem is how do we keep the spring away from the plastic while the glue's setting? And I've done this here with some Meccano. So we have a threaded boss and an angle bracket, and the angle bracket is holding the spring away from the plastic. And so that's a very practical use of Meccano. In the end, the glue wasn't strong enough, and what I did was put a rod and a collar onto the internal door handle to retain the spring permanently, and that's been successfully retaining the spring for 1.5 years now.